Hi, and welcome to another demo of ARGOS Cloud Security. If you like security and Power BI and dashboards, then this demo is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up Power BI to ARGOS and then just very briefly show you how to then use that data to create a little dashboard. But generally, once you've hooked up your cloud environment, your Azure, Entra, AWS to ARGOS, and you've got some data in here, you can head over to my account, and under ARGOS API keys, you can find your exclusive API key. You can copy it from here, regenerate, delete it, whatever you want to do. But the way you can now use that key is by going to our developer portal, have a look at the APIs themselves. Here on the left, you can see all the APIs available within ARGOS. And let's say we wanted to start with our inventory. This is the API we need to call to get all of the inventory out of ARGOS. Over in Power BI, we say get data and select the web data source. Use the advanced UI and then paste the URL in here, and we need to add an HTTP request header. The header we need to add is this particular header for Azure API management, which is going to identify you and authenticate and authorize you to actually get the data. We hit OK. Now Power BI is going to import the data from the ARGOS, from your ARGOS tenant into Power BI. You can see it's all in the Power Query editor. You can now transform this data however way you like. Let's say close and apply. This gets now loaded into our model here. And once that is done, we can see our inventory here on the right. And let's say we wanted to create just a simple table. And we want to see the name of a resource, the type, if it's exploitable, which means is it on the internet, exposed to the internet, and the total score for that particular resource. But I'm only interested at this point in time in the resources that are actually exploitable on the internet. And let's just sort this by score. And now I can see this website, web app, which is exploitable, has a score of 52. And let's see, I'm going to check the resource ID here. I can now see the full path to that particular resource. And I can go and have a look for that resource in my Azure portal, do something about it, or tell my customer, some other teammates maybe, about that particular resource. This is a very simple example of what you can now do with the data you have within Power BI. I'm sure many of our customers have amazing ideas how to use this data and how to present that within Power BI, in addition to what ARGOS does already on the dashboard for them. I hope that gave you a very quick and easy idea how to connect Power BI and even to connect Power BI to ARGOS Cloud Security. And yeah, if you come up with a great dashboard, let us know what you've done, and I'm looking forward to your feedback.